Aramco.
Hi everyone, I'm Jess Hawkins.
Hey guys, Felipe here.
Happy birthday! The 60s are the new 40s.
The driver of the day, and for the 99th time in Formula 1, Fernando Alonso.
Hi, my name is Mike Pedro de la Rosa.
Cut through north.
This weekend, you are driving. We have to follow our dream.
Big crash on board with Lance Stroll.